Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or change the controller vibration settings on the PowerWash Simulator game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PowerWash Simulator 2 game on your device. And once you start playing your game, if you wish to turn off vibrations within your joystick, then in order to do so from your gameplay, press the escape button or the start menu to go into the home options. From here, you can click on the gear icon at the top section, which will take you into the settings page. Now click on gameplay, and then within this page, at the very end, you will find the gamepad vibration. You can click on the drop-down menu, and while it is set to normal by default, you can either turn this to light to reduce the amount of vibration or turn it off altogether. After choosing your desired setting, you can just go back and continue to play your game. Your settings will be saved automatically, and you can go back to this menu at any point of time to once again change your vibration settings in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable gamepad vibration on the PowerWash Simulator 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.